Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create an account on the Nike Store application. So, how to create an account on the Nike Store application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the app. Next, tap Sign Up. A screen like this will appear. Tap this menu to create a new account. This will appear. Here, you can enter a valid email address. Next, tap Continue. This will appear. Please fill in your personal details. Here, enter your first and last name. Here, you can create a password for the account you created. And for the code, here, enter the code sent to the email you just entered. Here, you can enter your date of birth. Then, check all the boxes. After completing everything, tap Create Account. Now, you have created an account on the Nike Store app. This is how the app looks, so, that's it, the tutorial on how to create an account on the Nike Store application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.